Make money online by training AI chatbots. Imagine a tranquil Saturday afternoon in the serene hills of America, where you're reclining in a swing chair, surrounded by the harmonious melodies of chirping birds and the soothing murmur of a distant water feature. Just when you thought you were immersed in perfect relaxation, an unexpected revelation comes your way. An enticing advertisement on your phone screen. It shines like a celestial beacon, promising that you can get paid to train AI chatbots. The best part? No prior experience or advanced degrees required. Without hesitation, you transition from your peaceful retreat to the realm of curiosity in your office, eager to explore this newfound opportunity. Join us on this journey as we investigate the potential of this website and decipher its alluring promises. Welcome to Profitability Plus, where we provide you with expert guidance and step-by-step instructions in maximizing your earnings through AI chatbot training. In this informative script, we'll delve into the world of online opportunities that don't require any prior experience or specialized tech degrees. Stay tuned for valuable insights. Today, we're about to uncover the fascinating world of training AI chatbots for profit. The platform we're about to introduce doesn't just connect you with this intriguing endeavor. It also serves as a bridge between technology companies and individuals seeking online income opportunities. Let's start by dissecting the core of AI chatbot training. Consider a scenario where you're engaged in tasks for a company that's refining chatbots for self-driving cars. Your role entails sifting through countless images depicting elements commonly encountered on roadways, stop signs, pedestrians, bicycles, and more. Your mission is to flag and label these objects. In doing so, you're effectively teaching the chatbot or self-driving car to recognize these signs and respond accordingly when encountered on actual roads. For instance, picture a self-driving car cruising down the street before your training efforts. It lacks the knowledge to differentiate between a passenger and other objects. Your task is to identify, tag, and label passengers in images, instructing the AI on how to react when it encounters similar scenarios. Without this training, the self-driving car might navigate haphazardly, posing a risk to passengers and pedestrians. Your role is crucial in ensuring safe and efficient self-driving technology, and you're rewarded for your contributions. Keep in mind that this is just one example, as there are various other ways to train chatbots and earn money. Another avenue to explore is short writing and evaluation assignments. This particular opportunity caught our attention and prompted this video. With this website we're about to introduce, you can earn between $15 to $20 per hour for these tasks. But hold on, that's not the only path to profitability in AI chatbot training. Stay with us as we'll dive deeper into an even more intriguing approach: micro tasks. In case you're new to this scene, allow us to introduce you to remote tasks. According to their website, Remote Tasks is an online platform specializing in AI, neural networks, and machine learning technologies. Their expertise spans from self-driving cars to advanced AI systems. What sets them apart is the continuous flow of diverse tasks, ensuring that users won't be stuck performing repetitive assignments. This variety enables you to maintain a steady workflow and, importantly, earn up to $600 a week. However, let's take a closer look at how you can achieve this financial milestone. If the concept of remote tasks is unfamiliar to you, we'd appreciate it if you could indicate your unfamiliarity by typing "remote" in the comments. This feedback helps us gauge how much value we're delivering to our audience. Now, back to the opportunity at hand. Remote tasks presents a remarkable claim that ordinary individuals without prior experience or advanced degrees can earn up to $600 per week by completing tasks ranging from simple to complex. They boast a quick onboarding process that takes less than an hour. Once accepted, you'll be presented with writing and evaluation assignments that offer an hourly rate of $15 to $20 determined by your skills and consistency. The process is straightforward. You send a request to a chatbot and evaluate its response. It's as simple as that. Plus, you have the flexibility to choose when you work, making it a convenient income source. To earn $600 in a week at this rate, you'll need to dedicate approximately 30 hours. The good news is that you can distribute these hours across different days or times to align with your schedule, ensuring flexibility. Before we proceed, it's essential to note that these opportunities are region-specific. Therefore, we conducted further research to find a solution accessible to individuals from most countries worldwide. Your appreciation for the effort we put into researching valuable opportunities motivates us. So please show us your support by liking this video and subscribing if you haven't already. Now, let's delve into the nitty-gritty of how to reach your goal of making $600 a week through remote tasks. One method involves completing micro-tasks. However, achieving these financial milestones requires either a substantial number of tasks or targeting higher-paying assignments to maximize your earnings. Let's assume the average task pays around $8, which might be a generous estimate. To reach $600, you'll need to complete a staggering 600 tasks within a week. Each task takes approximately 10 minutes. This translates to dedicating 6,000 minutes to task completion, equivalent to 100 hours per week. Considering this in perspective, there are 168 hours in a week. If you allocate 8 hours a night for sleep, which accounts for 56 hours, you're left with 112 working hours. To make $600 at a rate of $1 per task, you need to work almost 90% of your waking hours, totaling 100 hours out of those 112. This calculation assumes continuous work, 7 days a week with no breaks. It prompts a critical question: is it worth the effort? What if we explore an alternative scenario where you invest only a quarter of that time? Instead of committing 100 hours, you work 25 hours weekly. After your 9-to-5 job, you allocate 3 hours each weekday from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. and 5 hours on both Saturday and Sunday. This breakdown results in 25 weekly hours, translating to an income of approximately $150. Once you've completed your training and passed the test, you're ready to start earning on remotetasks.com. The tasks you'll undertake range from image annotation and data collection to transcription services, providing diverse opportunities for income generation. It's essential to note that this platform operates optimally with a Chrome browser, so Apple users may need to download Chrome for a seamless experience. Thank you for watching, and if you've found value in this information, please show your support by liking the video. Your feedback and engagement motivate us to continue sharing valuable insights. Until next time, walk good.